This is NetAI, graph intelligence, real answers, autonomous network operations that detect, diagnose, determine root cause, and remediate before your customers are impacted. Every network team knows this night shift. One fault fires hundreds of alarms across dozens of tools. Engineers spend hours reconstructing what happened and why, while customers are already feeling the impact, and the knowledge that fixes it lives inside a handful of people's heads. NetAI works the way your best engineers do, only continuously. It detects alerts, anomalies, and SLO violations. It diagnoses by correlating signals across every domain. It determines the true root cause, and then it remediates. When an incident fires, NetAI processes massive volumes of data: SNMP, syslog, command line, NetFlow, GNMI, streaming telemetry, netconf, and YAN. In seconds, it answers 4 questions: what happened, why it happened, the causal hierarchy of the correlated alarms, and the exact remediation. Bring your own cloud, your own infrastructure, SD-WAN, VXLAN hybrid. NetAI monitors it end-to-end and watches your service-level objectives proactively. It integrates with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, with Cisco, HPE, Juniper, Arista, Nokia, Huawei, ZTE, MikroTik, Extreme Networks, and Big8, and with Jira, ServiceNow, Teams, and Slack. It fits the stack you already run. Underneath, NetAI combines several AI technologies: graph neural networks that learn how your topology behaves, statistical machine learning that establishes what normal looks like, and graph RAG that retrieves the right knowledge at the right moment. Together, they form an optimal end-to-end autonomous network operations system in production use around the world. And all of it runs inside your perimeter. 100% data sovereignty, completely on-premise, absolutely air-gapped, with no outside LLM connections, and GDPR conformant. NetAI is read-only by default. You stay in full control. NetAI collapses hundreds of symptoms into a causal hierarchy and identifies the originating fault. In the background, it reads your company runbooks and vendor manuals, draws on its own memory of past incidents and triage steps, and applies the tribal knowledge of your team, so every incident makes the next diagnosis faster. The platform has 3 layers: NetAI Core, an integrated network management system covering fault, configuration, and performance across every protocol you run; NetAI IQ, a digital twin and graph neural network engine with 7 patents pending that determines root cause deterministically across complex, hybrid, multi-protocol faults; and autonomous network operations, workflow automation that turns a root cause into a completed corrective action. You build your own agents. NetAI IQ exposes its skills over MCP, and your agents expose theirs. Because the graph root cause is deterministic, skills are matched precisely rather than searched, which keeps token consumption low. With VS Code integration and an SDK, your team builds and tunes them quickly. The library ships with NetAI. The expertise stays yours. The remediation architecture loads the right agents dynamically for each root cause. They revert configurations, bring interfaces back into service, and update your Jira or ServiceNow ticket with the full evidence chain, with a human in the loop, or fully autonomous once that agent has earned your trust. NetAI is in production around the world today, with operators including Urdu and Airloop. It deploys inside your trusted zone. You complete one form, open a defined set of ports, and provide read-only access. We install and configure in 2 to 3 hours, and you see data ingested and correlating the same day. NetAI, detect, diagnose, remediate before your customers are impacted. Book a demo at netai.ai.